what you do me? Why do I have to kill people? I don't understand. What kind of person am I? I can't blame the other friends of ours. They may be scared of me. Because I killed you. Mm. Please help me, man. Sometimes, I think that maybe I have to kill myself also. Because I can't accept the fact that I'm a killer, a murderer. And that I'm not worth it. I'm not worth it to live here. I doesn't deserve any friends. I don't deserve any of them. Because I'm a bad person. Remember the time when my parents died. I've seen them crying for help, but I can't help them. I am useless. I let them die. Help me. Nobody understands me. It's only you who can understand me, but you're not here anymore. Please. Maybe Alex, Kim, Jake, and Sam, maybe they don't want me anymore to be their friends. I want to die. Please bring me with you. I want to go with you.